Purchasing a home for the first time is an exciting, yet challenging experience. There are many steps involved in the process of buying a home, and navigating them can be daunting. One of the most important steps in the home buying process is securing a mortgage. A mortgage is a loan that is used to purchase a home, and it is essential to get the best mortgage possible in order to achieve your dream of homeownership. In this video, we will provide 10 expert tips for first-time homebuyers on how to get the best mortgage and buy their dream house. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the Marvin Maxton community, your ultimate destination for finance, business, and industry news and insights. We're so glad to have you with us once again. Here, we share knowledge to help everyone improve themselves. If you haven't subscribed yet, you are not taking advantage of the benefits. We believe in the power of innovation, integrity, and infinite possibilities, and our mission is to help you stay ahead of the curve. Our videos cover a wide range of topics, from finance tips and industry insights to business strategies and best practices, providing you with actionable information that is relevant to your career, business, and life. At Marvin Maxton, we are committed to creating a community to empower people with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in your chosen field, and we are dedicated to maintaining the highest standards of professionalism and accuracy. Thank you for choosing Marvin Maxton as your trusted source for finance, business, and industry news and insights. Join us on our journey towards success and discover the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Now let's dive in. 1. Determine your budget. Before you begin the process of shopping for a mortgage, it is important to determine your budget. This means understanding how much money you can afford to spend on a home. Your budget will be determined by your income, your expenses, and your debt-to-income ratio. Your debt-to-income ratio is the percentage of your monthly income that goes towards paying off debt. Most lenders will require that your debt-to-income ratio be below 43%. Understanding your budget will help you focus on homes that are within your price range, which will save you time and frustration in the long run. 2. Improve your credit score. Your credit score plays a critical role in the mortgage process. A higher credit score can help you secure a better interest rate, which can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage. Before you begin shopping for a mortgage, take steps to improve your credit score. This may include paying down outstanding debts, disputing any errors on your credit report, and avoiding new lines of credit. It is also important to make sure that you pay all of your bills on time, as late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score. 3. Shop around for the best mortgage. There are many different types of mortgages available, and it is important to shop around in order to find the best one for your needs. Start by researching different lenders and comparing their rates and fees. Don't be afraid to negotiate with lenders to get the best deal possible. Keep in mind that a lower interest rate may come with higher fees, and vice versa. It is important to consider both the interest rate and the fees when comparing different mortgage options. 4. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage can help you in several ways. First, it will give you a better understanding of your budget and what you can afford. Second, it will show sellers that you are a serious buyer and can help you stand out in a competitive housing market. To get pre-approved for a mortgage, you will need to provide documentation of your income, assets, and debts. Once you are pre-approved, you will receive a letter from the lender indicating the maximum amount that you can borrow. There are several different types of mortgages available to homebuyers. Here are some of the most common types of mortgages. Fixed-rate mortgage. A fixed-rate mortgage is a type of home loan where the interest rate remains the same throughout the life of the loan. This means that your monthly mortgage payment will remain the same for the entire term of the loan, providing a level of certainty and predictability for homeowners. Adjustable rate mortgage, ARM. An adjustable rate mortgage, ARM, is a type of home loan where the interest rate fluctuates based on changes in the market interest rates. ARM typically have a lower initial interest rate compared to fixed-rate mortgages, but the interest rate can rise over time, which means that your monthly mortgage payment can increase. FHA loan. An FHA loan is a type of mortgage that is insured by the Federal Housing Administration, FHA. FHA loans are designed to help first-time homebuyers and low-income individuals qualify for a mortgage, and they typically require a lower down payment and credit score compared to conventional mortgages. VA loan. A VA loan is a type of mortgage that is guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, VA. VA loans are available to eligible veterans, active duty military personnel, and surviving spouses, and they typically require no down payment and have lower interest rates compared to conventional mortgages. USDA loan. A USDA loan is a type of mortgage that is backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. USDA loans are designed to help rural and suburban homebuyers qualify for a mortgage, and they typically require no down payment and have lower interest rates compared to conventional mortgages. Jumbo loan. A jumbo loan is a type of mortgage that is used to finance higher-priced properties that exceed the loan limits set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Jumbo loans typically have higher interest rates and stricter qualification requirements compared to conventional mortgages. In summary, there are several different types of mortgages available to homebuyers, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. It is important to carefully consider your financial situation and goals when choosing a mortgage that is right for you. A mortgage professional can help you understand your options and choose a mortgage that best fits your needs. 5. Consider a fixed-rate mortgage. With a fixed-rate mortgage, the interest rate stays the same for the life of the loan. With an adjustable-rate mortgage, the interest rate can change over time. While adjustable-rate mortgages may offer lower interest rates initially, they can be risky if interest rates rise in the future. For first-time homebuyers, a fixed-rate mortgage may be the best option, as it provides stability and predictability over the life of the loan. 6. Understand mortgage points. Mortgage points are fees that are paid up front to the lender in exchange for a lower interest rate. 1 point equals 1% of the loan amount. For example, if you are borrowing $200,000, 1 point would be $2,000. Paying mortgage points can be a good option if you plan to stay in your home for a long time, as it can save you money over the life of the loan. However, if you plan to sell or refinance your home in the near future, paying mortgage points may not be worth the cost. 7. Save for a down payment. Most lenders require a down payment when you purchase a home. The down payment is the amount of money that you pay up front towards the purchase of your home. The amount of the down payment will depend on the price of the home and the type of loan that you are using. It is important to save for a down payment in order to reduce the amount of money that you need to borrow and to avoid paying private mortgage insurance, PMI. PMI is a type of insurance that protects the lender in case you default on your loan, and it can add hundreds of dollars to your monthly mortgage payment. 8. Don't make big purchases before closing. Once you are pre-approved for a mortgage, it is important to avoid making any big purchases before closing on your home. This includes buying a car, taking out a new loan, or applying for a new credit card. Lenders will check your credit again before closing, and any changes to your credit score or debt-to-income ratio could affect your ability to secure a mortgage. It is best to wait until after you have closed on your home before making any big purchases or taking out new loans. 9. Understand closing costs. Closing costs are fees that are paid at the time of closing, and they can add up quickly. Closing costs typically include fees for the appraisal, title search, and loan origination. In addition, you may need to pay for things like property taxes and homeowners insurance. Before closing on your home, make sure that you understand all of the closing costs that you will be responsible for. You may be able to negotiate some of these fees with the seller or lender, so it is important to review them carefully. 10. Work with a reputable real estate agent. Finally, it is important to work with a reputable real estate agent when purchasing a home. A good real estate agent can help you navigate the home buying process and can provide valuable insights into the local housing market. They can also help you find homes that meet your budget and criteria and can negotiate with sellers on your behalf. Look for an agent who has experience working with first-time homebuyers and who is familiar with the area where you are looking to purchase a home. In conclusion, purchasing a home for the first time can be a complex and overwhelming process. However, by following these 10 expert tips, you can increase your chances of securing the best mortgage possible and achieving your dream of homeownership. Remember to determine your budget, improve your credit score, shop around for the best mortgage, get pre-approved, consider a fixed-rate mortgage, understand mortgage points, save for a down payment, avoid making big purchases before closing, understand closing costs, and work with a reputable real estate agent. With the right preparation and guidance, you can successfully navigate the home buying process and buy your dream home. We appreciate you taking the time to be here with us today. Hey there! If you found this video helpful, we would really appreciate it if you could give it a like. By doing so, you'll not only be showing support for the content creator, but also helping others who are in need of this information to discover and benefit from this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on our latest videos. As always, we value your opinion and invite you to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and we are excited to share even more knowledge with you in our upcoming videos.